Good morning this Wednesday, the 20th of August. I'm Grady Wolfe, Senior Market Analyst with Bell Direct. Wall Street closed Tuesday's session mixed as a tech decline weighed on key market indices. The S&P 500 fell 0.6%, the Nasdaq lost 1.5%, and the Dow Jones ended the day up just 0.02%. Investors have been pulling out of Nvidia in recent days, with shares in the mega cap company ending Tuesday's session down 3.5% as traders take a breather from the recent AI rally in favour of undervalued small to mid-cap stocks in the current market environment. In Europe, overnight markets closed higher as investors welcomed peace talk progress initiated by President Trump with Ukraine leader Volodymyr Zelenskyy and Russian leader Vladimir Putin. The Stock 600 rose 0.7%, Germany's DAX added 0.45%, the French CAC gained 1.21%, and in the UK, the FTSE 100 ended the day up 0.34% to a fresh record high. Across the Asia region on Tuesday, markets closed lower as investors await the outcome of Trump's talks with Russia and Ukraine. Japan's Nikkei fell 0.4% a day after closing at a record high, while Hong Kong's Seng closed flat. China's CSI index lost 0.38%, and South Korea's Kospi index ended the day down 0.81%. Locally yesterday, the ASX 200 fell 0.7% as market heavyweight CSL tumbled almost 17% in its worst day ever after announcing weaker than expected results and reporting it will be cutting up to 3,000 jobs. BHP also had results out yesterday that were weaker than expected on China's subdued demand, but shares in the company still rose on optimistic outlook. Westpac consumer confidence data out yesterday showed Australians are regaining confidence as we enter the rate cut part of the rate cycle. The reading for August showed a month-on-month increase to 5.7% from 0.6% in July, signalling the strongest level since 2022. On the commodities front this morning, oil is trading 1.32% lower at $62.58 a barrel. Gold is down 0.5% at $3,316 an ounce. And iron ore is down 0.05% at $101 per tonne. The Australian dollar has weakened against the greenback to buy 64.59 US cents, 95.28 Japanese yen, 46.45 British pence and 1 New Zealand dollar and 9 cents. Ahead of the midweek trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are anticipating the ASX will open the day up 0.2%. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has downgraded the rating on CSL from a buy to a hold and have significantly lowered the 12-month price target on the healthcare giant from $305 per share to $240 per share, following the release of FY25 results, unveiling CSL's key division Behring disappointed with revenue growth of just 1%, while Securus and V4 exceeded expectations. Despite this, the market reacted sharply, and Bell Potter's analysts see challenging near-term conditions and outlook due to earnings growth missing expectations, weak second half of 2025 Behring performance, delayed margin recovery now expected by FY29, and uncertainty around FY27-28 forecasts for the demerged entity. And Trading Central has identified a bearish signal on EBR systems following the formation of a pattern over a period of 22 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may fall from the close of $1.28 to the range of $1.13 to $1.17, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all we have time for this Wednesday morning. I hope you have a wonderful day and happy investing.